According to me, this is a flashback to the time when Goa protectors was running riot in Goa. And this kind of situation has seen preludes with attacks, assaults, gang wars, and now a full-blown brutal assault on a social activist. What is more shocking is it happened A, in broad daylight, B, in a busy place, C, even the fact that there were places people could be within eye view and recording view. They wore no masks, they did not conceal their identity, they wore no helmets, which shows that they were very brazen. They wanted to send a message loud and clear. We care a damn to you. We care a damn to your police authorities. We care a damn to your home department. We have our bosses who are behind us, and you try to cross our path. We will sweep down on you and we will eliminate you and people like you who come against us and our bosses.